Salam Ramsuda. This is 14th of July 2025 and alhamdulillah I'm back in Pakistan now, and this is where we planted some spinach. So as you can see, some of the seeds are growing very nicely, but then again some aren't really, and here is an example of what is not doing very well. These seeds they germinated. Even these plants, some of these plants have been transplanted into these beds, but when we have a heavy rain, because it's monsoon season, as you can see it here, what really happens is that all the dirt splashes with the heavy raindrop, and it lands, the dirt lands on the leaves, which kills the plants. So this one is still doing better, but here right next to it, this plant is not doing that great. So you can see many of these leaves which have got lots and lots of dirt on them. So this kills the plants while they are young. Here what we have done is that we've got a fleece, which you can see this area which is uncovered, and what we have done, we have made the trenches, put the mooli seed in it, and then covered it up, and then as much a fleece could cover, it is kind of like a little bit over one fleece length. So I've left some part on the other end which is not covered, and I've left some on this end which is not covered. Here there are some plants already underneath, but the rest will just show you what is how it's gonna work. You can see the thickness of fleece. It's not really thick, and it's gonna cover this up. All the rain will land on the fleece, and hence saving the seeds underneath from all the dirt splashes and the dirt covering up the seedlings. So the rain is gonna go through the fleece, and the water is gonna go through the bed, go through the fleece to the bed, to the plants. And this is gonna save the plants from heavy rain. We'll update as we go along. As in the end, there are a couple of options. One is that we can remove the fleece, and the other is we can leave the fleece. Here you can see some plants which are already germinated from the last seeding. So just like that, the plants are going to push the fleece up, and we can loosen it on the sides so they can push it up, and the plants can grow. While I'm at it, I'll show you some beautiful flowers here. This is Mexican daisy, a couple of different colors and beautiful flowers. I'm really enjoying it. So this is about it. We're just starting this season, and inshallah we'll have some more videos as we go along.